But you can see we're back in the garage, so we must be doing something else to the Mk8. But those aren't the ones today. We got this big old box right here. As you can tell from the title, you know what it is. This is a valve exhaust from Amazon. It's actually meant for a Mark 7.5 GTI, but Google AI said it should fit same chassis. So we're gonna find out if it fits or not, and I'm gonna be the test dummy. So we're gonna see the fitment and if it works with the Mk8. So you Mk8 boys can go ahead and pick up a $400 valved exhaust. Shout out to 2Broke4R on Instagram. He's the one who, or he's where I saw this exhaust from. And from his videos, it sounds crazy and the valves work really good. So we're going to find out. And I forgot my keys. This is from a brand called P-Storm Catback exhaust. Mark 7, Mark 7.5. Okay, so this is the little module for the valve. Really light. Comes with 2 controllers. These controllers are a lot nicer than it showed on Amazon. Comes with 2 of them. There's your splitters and connection. Now, this thing did not come with any kind of instructions, so we're really gonna have to figure that part out. I'm pretty sure you just plug it in and go. And, you know, since the stock one's off, we might do a little dump start, if you know what I mean. Full 3-inch exhaust. I didn't mention that. It's a full 3-inch stainless steel exhaust. It has the resonator, smaller resonator in the back, valve muffler. No big muffler anymore. We are gonna see right now, boy. Alright, so we just got the stock exhaust off. You can see the residue right there. My botched Sawzall job. Alright, now we're gonna open all this up and put it together. You know what, just because I can't resist, we're gonna start it with no exhaust. Alright y'all, 4 hours later and we got the whole exhaust in. It was a pain in the ass. It connects to, I guess it would be your stock downpipe, and then it upsizes to 3-inch over here. These fittings were a pain in the ass. I don't know if they got bent in shipping or it's just because it's a cheap exhaust or both, but I kind of had to play with it and kind of had to bend them back in place to fit inside of these couplings right here. So it took a little bit of time. I didn't have a hanger right here, so you know, good old tie wire. I don't think you can see the valve. There's a cigarette lighter plug-in. There's a little module. Go into the boot. I routed it through there. Poked the hole through there. You pull the carpet back, there's gonna be a rubber grommet like pretty much in this area. And all you have to do is poke a hole with a screwdriver or something. And then you can route it up, in. I'd recommend route it over there, poke a hole, and then route it over here. A little ghetto, but we got the job done. And now we get it started. After we take this. Cheers. Oh, that looks good.
I'll be back.
You'll be back?
Yeah, for our chicken bits.
Hold on, you almost here too.
Oh, you want me here?
Yeah. Dude, that's sick. Hell yeah.
I can see.
Shout out to Wifey for pulling up. Cheers. You have to cheers it. Hold on, do it again. Cheers. Cheers.
Yes.
Go Mexico! It's 3:10 in the morning, and we're about to get a true cold start with the new exhaust right now.